Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Alvarado. We're going to be practicing some sight words together. You ready? I'm going to read them first, and then you're going to read them, and then I'm going to mix them up, and I'm going to see if you can read them again. You ready? Okay, my turn first. Said. On. Are. Make. Hear. With. As. His. That. It. Was. And the last one. For. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? You have 3 seconds to answer them. I want to hear you nice and loud. Ready? Good job, said. Very good. On. That was easy. Very good. Are. Very good. Make. Very good. That was here. With. Very good. As. That was easy, huh? His. Very good. That. You guys are awesome at this. It's. A lot of you answered that one super fast. Was. Very good. For. Super job. Okay, now I'm going to mix them up. I'm going to see if you can answer them. You ready? Bet you can. You guys are really good at them, especially those 2-letter words, those 2-letter sight words. You're very good at those. Ready? Here we go. It's. Very good. Was. Said. On. Are. Make. Very good. Hear. Very good. With. Very good. For. Awesome. As. Very good. His. Very good. And the last one. That's very good. You guys did awesome. All right. I'm proud of you. Keep practicing. You're doing awesome.